Ready to ditch the awkward cash exchanges and dive into seamless digital transactions with your friends. First, open the iMessage conversation with the person you want to send or receive money from. Look for the App Store icon, which is represented by the blue symbol, located either to the left of the text input field or above the keyboard. Depending on your iOS version, tap it. This opens the iMessage App Store now. Locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Apple Pay into the search bar. Select the Apple Pay option from the search results. You should see the Apple Pay iMessage app. Tap the Install button, which will download and install Apple Pay into your iMessage apps. Once installed, the Apple Pay icon, showing the Apple Pay logo, should now appear in your iMessage app drawer. To send money, tap the Apple Pay icon. Enter the amount you want to send using the number pad, then tap the Send button. Your device will prompt you to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on your iPhone model and settings. Once authenticated, a confirmation message will appear in the chat, visually showing that the transaction has been successfully sent. It's that easy. Now you can easily send and receive money with Apple Pay and iMessage.